Learn English to Khmer. May I? In.
ខ្ញុំអាចបានទេ
Welcome to Polite Magic. Today you will learn one super useful Khmer pattern that opens social doors more smoothly than a superhero with excellent manners. Ready? Your phrase today is, may I? In Khmer, say.
ខ្ញុំអាចបានទេ
Think of it as a polite key. You do not kick the door. You do not tackle the chair. You ask nicely, and civilization survives. The main phrase. Let's make the pattern feel easy in your mouth and memorable in your mind. English, may I? Khmer.
ខ្ញុំអាចបានទេ
A quick memory trick.
ខ្ញុំ
Means I.
អាច
Means can, and.
បានទេ
Gives you the polite question feeling. Say it with me slowly.
ខ្ញុំអាចបានទេ
Again.
ខ្ញុំអាចបានទេ
3 useful situations. Now you'll use the pattern in real life, where chairs, questions, and doors are waiting for your beautiful politeness. May I sit here?
ខ្ញុំអាចអង្គុយទីនេះបានទេ
May I ask a question?
ខ្ញុំអាចសួរសំណួរមួយបានទេ
May I come in?
ខ្ញុំអាចចូលបានទេ
A very serious cat. Here comes a tiny story to help the phrase stick in your memory. Yes, the hero is a cat. Yes, the cat has manners. Picture a cat in tiny glasses standing outside a classroom. It adjusts its little backpack, taps the door with one paw, and says,
ខ្ញុំអាចចូលបានទេ
The teacher blinks. The students blink. The cat then finds a seat, points with great dignity, and asks,
ខ្ញុំអាចអង្គុយទីនេះបានទេ
2 minutes later, the cat raises one paw and asks,
ខ្ញុំអាចសួរសំណួរមួយបានទេ
This, dear listener, is not just a cat. This is a master of polite Khmer. Mini dialogue. Listen and imagine the scene. You can repeat each line after the pause. A stands at the door and says, May I come in? In Khmer.
ខ្ញុំអាចចូលបានទេ
The answer is yes. You may imagine the door answering dramatically.
បាន
Then a sees an empty chair and asks, May I sit here?
ខ្ញុំអាចអង្គុយទីនេះបានទេ
Later it has a thought, a question, and possibly a small panic. So he asks, May I ask a question?
ខ្ញុំអាចសួរសំណួរមួយបានទេ
Quick drill. Your turn. I'll give the English, and you say the Khmer. Be bold. If needed, let the polite cat coach you. May I?
ខ្ញុំអាចបានទេ
May I come in?
ខ្ញុំអាចចូលបានទេ
May I sit here?
ខ្ញុំអាចអង្គុយទីនេះបានទេ
May I ask a question?
ខ្ញុំអាចសួរសំណួរមួយបានទេ
Politeness tip. A tiny culture tip can make your Khmer sound warmer and more respectful. In everyday Khmer conversation,
ខ្ញុំអាចបានទេ
is a respectful way to ask permission. You can also remember friendly words around it, like
សូម
for please and
អរគុណ
for thank you. So first you ask politely, then you smile, then you do not sit on somebody's backpack by accident. A strong day for language learning. Tiny quiz. Let's check what stuck. No pressure. Even the cat believes in you. How do you say, may I, in Khmer?
ខ្ញុំអាចបានទេ
How do you say, may I come in?
ខ្ញុំអាចចូលបានទេ
How do you say, may I sit here?
ខ្ញុំអាចអង្គុយទីនេះបានទេ
How do you say, may I ask a question?
ខ្ញុំអាចសួរសំណួរមួយបានទេ
Friendly conclusion. You did great today, and yes, you are now officially more polite in Khmer than many imaginary cats in glasses. Today you learned the useful Khmer permission pattern.
ខ្ញុំអាចបានទេ
For, may I. You practiced.
ខ្ញុំអាចចូលបានទេខ្ញុំអាចអង្គុយទីនេះបានទេ
and
ខ្ញុំអាចសួរសំណួរមួយបានទេ
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, use the phrase in real situations, and come back for more English to Khmer learning soon.